Dear ones, today I'm going to share a little secret from nature that feels like a heartfelt conversation with an old friend. Let's talk about a juice that's a true gift for your health and vitality. An elixir that combines the best aphrodisiac ingredients to renew your energy and add that special touch to your intimate life. Do you feel like your body doesn't respond the way it used to? Maybe your erections aren't as firm, or you lack energy at the end of the day. Well, nature, in all its generosity, offers us wonderful resources to revitalize our bodies. And I'm going to share with you a special recipe, lovingly crafted, that will become a great ally. Serve this juice as if you're giving yourself a gift, a moment to pause, take care of yourself, nourish your body, and recharge your energy. A sip of this elixir could be just what you need to transform your day, and perhaps your life. This juice is more than just a drink. It's a genuine gift from nature that combines flavor, health, and vitality in a single glass. Every ingredient was carefully chosen, creating a powerful combination for both body and soul. Shall we dive into why this recipe is so special? Watermelon, a sweet and refreshing ally. Watermelon, with its sweet and refreshing flavor, helps hydrate the body and improve blood circulation. Rich in citrulline, it aids in relaxing blood vessels, allowing for more efficient blood flow. This not only benefits cardiovascular health, but can also enhance intimate performance. Additionally, its light composition and high water content make it a perfect choice for combating fatigue and energizing your day. Pomegranate, the antioxidant elixir. The tiny seeds of the pomegranate hold a big secret. They're packed with powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. For those looking to improve heart health and maintain good blood circulation, pomegranate is an ideal choice. It also contributes to hormonal balance, enhancing vitality and overall well-being. Ginger, the natural stimulant. Ginger is like a spark of energy that warms the body and stimulates the mind. Its thermogenic properties activate circulation and can even boost metabolism. Moreover, it's known for its subtle aphrodisiac effects, helping to increase energy and reduce physical and mental fatigue. Ginger adds a spicy and special touch to the juice, balancing the flavors with sophistication. Lemon, freshness and nutrients. Lemon completes this recipe with its refreshing acidity and dose of vitamin C, which enhances the absorption of nutrients from the other ingredients. It helps detoxify the body, balance pH levels, and adds a fresh touch that makes the juice even more enjoyable to drink. How to prepare this aphrodisiac juice? In a blender, add the watermelon, pomegranate seeds, and ginger. Squeeze the lemon on top and add water or ice. Blend until smooth and strain if you prefer a finer texture. Serve in a beautiful glass, as if you're toasting to life. How and when to consume it? Drink a glass in the morning to start your day with energy, or in the late afternoon as a way to prepare your body and mind for special moments. Over time, you'll feel more energized, confident, and enjoy that satisfying sense of taking care of yourself. Remember, dear ones, this isn't about miracles, but about small daily actions that over time make a big difference. This juice is an invitation to care for yourself with love and fully enjoy life. Now go ahead, take good care of yourself, and move forward. This aphrodisiac is nature's gift to your body, and gradually you'll see the difference in your life. If you enjoyed this video, write in the comments, "Gift from nature," so I'll know it made an impact in your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.